So there's a lot of people collaborating on a sheet and we're adding comments. And if you're adding comments, but you're mentioning people and you might be getting all of the notifications of all of the comments, but you only want the comments that mention you. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So comment is you right click and you can comment and you can mention other people with an @ sign. When that happens and you only want the comments that mention you, go up to Tools, Notification Settings, go over to Comment Notifications, and here we'll have three options. We could potentially not get any notifications, and that is true if you just want to go and check the sheet on your own, but if you want to know when comments are actually coming in and want to be notified of those by email, then you can select all comments. But for this video, we want to select comments for you. So you'll be notified about mentions and also threads that involve you. Click OK, and now you'll only get notifications when someone comments you. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.